Alright, next, let's take a look at the media part. This deals with the photo gallery and the videos. Let's start with the photo gallery first. And it's asking if we want to keep that to yes. This allows people to be able to upload photos and create photo gallery. And how many photo creation limit? You can change this as you see fit, but it's set to 500 for now. And as your site grows more, you may want to extend that, or you may want to restrict that. And then for the pagination, let me just lift that at the 100. And show map, you can choose yes or no. For the show photo gallery slider, yes. And what that means is when people reviewing the picture, then it can allow them to be able to slide through from one photo to the next. And the maximum upload size right now is set to 8 megabytes. This means that the photo cannot exceed 8 megabytes, and the largest is 10 megabytes. Now if you want to change this so people can be able to upload a little bit more, then you would have to contact your web hosting company. They would have to edit the php.ini file, which is where you can set you can change these. So if you want to change this to 15, 20 or whatever it is, but I caution that you don't want to make this too high, because then that can overload your site. People start uploading a whole bunch of stuff, unless you have a really high traffic website that people are always uploading a lot of stuff. And then delete original photos, you can just leave that. Once again, this is based on if you want people to be able to delete their photos once they've uploaded this, then you can check on yes. I'm just gonna click on yes and just leave this image magic, and automatically said you lift that to yes, lift that to yes. And then image quality, just lift that to medium right now. And then photo location, just lift that to yes. Later on, we're going to be using Google Maps in order to be able to get the locations. So for the videos, the current settings right now, you can just leave those as they are, unless there's something that you absolutely must change. Alright, so once we've done that, with this particular Zencoder part, if you have an Amazon S3, you can be able to use this, and I'll talk a little bit more later about that. Now, one thing too, for the video size, if you're going, for example, on YouTube has different dimensions that you can be able to watch the videos or embed those with. Now this allows you to change the size of those, and I believe YouTube is 640 by 360. So I'm just going to change this to 640 for now. You can always change that later. So once you've done that, you want to make sure that you click save and close. And next we'll take a look at the anti-spam.